I am Atul Mehra, Managing Director, Tasty Dairy Specialities Limited. Tasty Dairy was started by me in 1992 in a small factory which was 500 square yards, where I was initially taking just 400 liters of milk per day. Today, at our current capacity, we can handle 6 lakh liters of milk per day. When I reached here, Jainpur, this is about 70 kilometers from Kanpur. The problem here was the connectivity in the factory. There was no internet here. There was no landline available for us. And the second is, once our employees leave, because they are already at such a distance, they have no connectivity with the network, and so they don't receive their mails, they can't respond to the mails. We were receiving feedback from our retailers, from our customers, and we had just 1 line, 2 lines to address them. At all times, the lines used to remain clogged. As our employee strength grew, we decided to take up a corporate connection from Vodafone. All our employees, all our key employees, they have BlackBerry connections with them, and through BlackBerry, we do so much of communication. They gave us a lease line so that we got very fast internet over here. So the connectivity issue as regards internet was immediately solved by them. Vodafone gave us a very good deal. They gave us a series of numbers. They gave us a toll-free number, which was a very attractive number. Toll-free number has given us a new insight, because the customer, he knows when he makes a call to us, he doesn't have to pay anything for it. With the closed user group, naturally, there is no cost involved. They can talk for as many times as they want, as many minutes as they want. So our communication cost also went down drastically. That was a big help for us. All our employees configured their mails with the BlackBerry. Whether they are on the move or whether they are sitting in the factory, they could receive all their mails immediately. And so their response time to problems, giving solutions, became very fast. The third benefit that has come to us is the customer satisfaction that we are getting now. Today we have at least 5 to 7 calls per day for customer feedback, and which is very important for us to improve our quality. And as I said, quality is our main concern, to give the best quality product to the customer. Vodafone has given us another solution which is very, very good for us. We procure milk from our centers which are 70-80 kilometers from here. We supply our material right up to Cochin, which is thousands of kilometers from here. All these goods that come to our factory or go from our factory, one person from our factory goes. Now this person also carries a Vodafone telephone number with him. With the GPS tracking system, we know once where our truck is, where our tanker of milk is. I never expected a company can go out of its way to give solutions to a customer. That way Vodafone has really excelled in this relationship. What we wanted from them, they have given us 5 times that.